Part 4 of my wedding nail trial. We're going even more classic today, but to start, I had a broken nail, so we're quickly going to fix that with some Gel X, and we are practically good as new. We went in with a pinky nude base. We almost always mix existing polishes together to create a custom color to match what I have in mind. And then we're doing a skinny French tip, the quintessential bridal nail design, but I wanted to add something a little extra, so we're topping it off with a mix of tiny rhinestones and pearls for texture. Here's the end result, super classy but fun. We're gonna be cleaning my room because, as y'all can see, it's a mess. I went to the Dodger game yesterday, and this is the cutest freaking thing ever. Now I need a place to put it. If anybody wants to pay my car registration, you're more than welcome to.